So UniWigs have sent me a load of goodies. These are their new eyelashes. I've already popped one pair on. So this gorgeous wig is called Becky and she's from the Trendy wig collection. She's 26 inches and she's 180% density and she's got a gorgeous icy blonde colour with like a loose curl. Then it's got the elastic adjusters at the back. So it's got a lace front from ear to ear. This is her straight out of the box, just popped on. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, you probably can guess why I'm so excited about this wig. I start by cutting up the middle. So you just chop the middle so it's like this. Try not to do it in like a straight line. Just do it in like tiny little snippets. So the first thing I do is raise my eyebrows, and where my forehead stops moving is where you place your wig. But as you can see, there's a bit of excess. So what I do is I literally just grab my little comb and then I literally just put my comb in like this, feel around my ear. So now I know that it's literally just this part that I need to just cut off. And now I'll show you how I glue it down. So all I've done is tie it up just to get it back, lifted it above my forehead so I kind of leave about that much space to put hairspray down, and then you just spray. Put it down in the middle first. And then I just kind of like let the hair fall down and like pat it down a little bit. I use the gel as well. Just pat some of the gel on the edges and then press it down. Another little trick that I figured out is to get a little comb or the end of a little makeup brush and just grab like a tiny bit of gel. And for the bits that lift up a little bit, you literally just like pat some of the gel down with the end of the comb. It just helps you be more precise with where you're placing the gel.